Welcome to this week's video. This week I was working in Austin, Texas, and I had a chance to do a little thrifting. So I am in Austin, Texas working today, just finished up my class, and I'm going to check out a Goodwill here in Austin and see what I can find to thrift and flip for a profit. So it is a beautiful day here in Austin, Texas today. It's 79 degrees. I will take every day I can get in the 70s in November. So let's go in this Goodwill and see what kind of goodies we can see. So this has been a good store so far. I actually found a sweater for me. It is a Jessica Simpson sweater. Just a good chunky sweater. I'm going to pick this up. And I'm still looking. Got a little more time before I gotta head to the airport. So I ran across this little box. It's like a little trinket box. And I looked up comps. And there's one on eBay right now, currently listed for $24.95. And it has an active offer, and they are asking $4.99 for this, so I'll probably pick this up. So somebody must have donated all their trinket boxes, because here is another one, and this one is $3.99. That's really cute. I'm gonna run out of room in my suitcase. I'm gonna have to stop. So overall, this is a good store. Most of the things that I came across were reasonably priced. I picked up 3 trinket boxes and a sweater for me. So if you are in the Austin, Texas area, I definitely recommend checking this store out. So later this week I was working in Kentucky, and on my way back to Tennessee, decided to stop in and check out a Goodwill in Big Stone Gap, Virginia.
Alright, so we're going to go in the entrance here and see what this Goodwill is like. So I don't see any tags for like a special of the day or anything, so whoops, I'm guessing that everything is just priced as is. So let's go see what we can find. Looks like they've got several purses here. This is a cute purse. Who's making this? I'm not familiar with that brand. I'll have to look that up. So I got excited. I looked this guy up, and they sell for about $25. And I was about to get him, but upon closer inspection, he had a broken leg. You didn't see where he was glued back together, so I'm glad I caught that, but he was only $2.99, so that would have been a great pickup. But I've learned to always check carefully. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, look at this little vintage guy. I'm gonna look him up and see what he's worth. He's only $1.99. So I'll check comps on him. So they had some really good prices. I did get another purse. This is kind of an alligator print. It is a Lord and Taylor purse. And then I got another throw. This has Isaiah 62:1 on it. And it has like the American flag. I'll show you here. It's got like this really Star of David, and then the American flag on it. I thought those were some.
Let's take a look at some of the things that sold recently in my eBay store.